In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WooCommerce PayPal payments and test it before going live. Before you begin, make sure you already have a PayPal business account. This is important because the standard personal account usually won't include the business features needed to accept payments properly through your WooCommerce store. Once that's confirmed, head into your WordPress dashboard and install the WooCommerce PayPal Payments plugin. After installation, activate it so the payment option becomes available inside your store settings. Next, go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and open the Payments tab. This is where you'll manage all the payment methods available on your site. Find PayPal payments in the list and enable it. Turning this on allows WooCommerce to start using PayPal as a checkout option for your customers. After that, click the button to connect your PayPal account. You'll be redirected to PayPal, where you'll sign into your business account and approve the connection with WooCommerce. This step securely links your store to PayPal, so payments can be processed correctly. Make sure you carefully review the permissions before approving, just so you understand what access is being granted. Once the connection is complete, return to the plugin settings and customize your PayPal payment buttons and checkout placement. This affects how the PayPal option appears across your store, including product pages, the cart, and checkout. Choose placements that fit your customer experience and store layout clearly, without making the page feel cluttered. If your account and region support it, you can also enable eligible credit and debit card payments. This is useful if you want customers to pay with cards through PayPal's system, even if they don't want to use a PayPal balance. If your store offers subscriptions or saved payment methods, configure PayPal vaulting as well. Vaulting allows payment details to be securely stored for future use when that feature applies to your setup. Before accepting real customer payments, activate PayPal Sandbox mode. This creates a safe testing environment where you can verify everything works without using live funds. Once Sandbox is active, complete a test purchase on your store, just like a real customer would. Go through the full checkout process and make sure the payment is successful. Finally, confirm that the order appears correctly in WooCommerce and that the payment status is recorded properly. This last review is important because it helps you catch setup issues before real transactions begin. Once everything looks correct, you can switch from Sandbox to live processing and start accepting payments with confidence.